How much should you really spend on a small hedge trimmer? I mean, you see $50 ones and $100 ones, both claim to do the same thing. But here's what nobody tells you: the difference isn't always in the price tag. Some cheap ones surprise you, while others that cost more leave you frustrated. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works. Product number 1, Black Plus Decker BEHT 100. First up, the Black Plus Decker BEHT 100, a no-frills corded electric trimmer that costs just over $50. What caught my eye was how lightweight it is at 4.6 pounds, and it's built for small hedges and shrubs. If you want something simple, reliable, and you don't mind being near an outlet, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It runs on a 3-amp motor, which is plenty for branches up to 5/8-inch thick, perfect for shaping boxwoods or trimming thin hedges around your yard. The dual-action steel blade reduces vibration, so your hands won't go numb after 10 minutes. Plus, the full-length trigger and T-handle design mean better control and less fatigue. And since it's corded, you never worry about battery life, just plug in and go. Over 400 people bought this in the last month. And while there are no reviews yet, Black Plus Decker's reputation in budget-friendly yard tools speaks for itself. Now, some people might complain about the cord being a hassle, especially if your outlet isn't close to the hedge. Here's the thing though, if you've got a small yard or don't mind using an extension cord, this isn't a deal breaker. It's actually a benefit because you get endless runtime without stopping to recharge. This is perfect for you if you have light trimming needs and want a dependable, low-cost option. Skip this one if you need to move around a lot or hate dealing with cords. For the price, it's solid value, just don't expect heavy-duty power. Product number 2, Sunjoe HJ604C. Alright, that was a solid corded option. But if you're tired of tripping over cords, the Sunjoe HJ604C might be your answer. This little guy runs on a 7.2-volt battery, weighs under 2.5 pounds, and doubles as both grass shears and a hedge trimmer. If you want maximum portability and versatility for tiny jobs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It converts from a 4-inch grass shear to a 6-inch hedge blade in seconds, no tools needed. That means you can edge your lawn, clean up garden beds, and trim small shrubs all with one tool. The lithium-ion battery charges fast and gives you enough juice for light daily touch-ups. It's also super easy to handle with one hand, thanks to its compact size and ergonomic grip. Over 400 units sold recently show it's popular for a reason, especially among apartment dwellers or people with tiny yards. Now, some people complained it struggles with anything thicker than a pencil. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for thick branches. It's designed for precision work like shaping ornamental bushes or trimming grass along sidewalks. If you go in expecting pro-level power, you'll be disappointed. But for light grooming, it shines. This is perfect for you if you have a small garden, balcony plants, or just need something for quick touch-ups. Skip this one if you're dealing with mature hedges or dense growth. At $51, it's a steal for what it does, just know its limits. Product number 3, Craftsman V20 Kit. Now, if Sunjoe's power left you wanting more, the Craftsman V20 Cordless Kit steps it up. Priced at $115, it includes a battery, charger, and 2 blades, hedge and grass shear. If you want a premium-feeling tool with real cutting power and don't mind spending a bit more, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1.5Ah lithium battery delivers consistent power for up to 5/16-inch cut depth, enough for thicker shoots and detailed shaping. The 8-inch hedge blade is longer than most compact trimmers, giving you better reach and cleaner lines. Plus, switching blades is tool-free and takes seconds. Craftsman's V20 system is known for reliability, and this kit feels sturdy, not flimsy. With 300+ sold recently, it's clearly resonating with homeowners who want performance without going full professional. Now, some people said the battery drains faster when using the grass shear on thick weeds. Here's the thing though, that's normal for any small trimmer under heavy load. Just keep the blades clean and avoid jamming them into dense patches. A quick pause lets the motor recover. This is perfect for you if you want a long-term investment, already use Craftsman tools, or need something that handles both hedges and lawn edges well. Skip this one if you only trim once a season, it's overkill. But for regular use, great value. Product number 4, IEBUDA DeWalt compatible. Alright, that was a solid all-in-one kit, but what if you already own DeWalt 20V batteries? Then the IEBUDA cordless trimmer at $61 is a smart hack. It's compatible with tons of DeWalt models, DCB200, DCB205, you name it, but doesn't include a battery. If you want to reuse your existing power source and save money, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get 1500 RPM cutting speed and an 8-inch blade that handles thin shoots on hedges and bushes with ease. The 2-in-1 design lets you swap to a 4.7-inch grass shear blade for edging. It's lightweight at 3.3 pounds, has dual safety locks, and the tool-free blade change is smooth. Since it piggybacks on DeWalt's popular battery system, you're not locked into a new ecosystem. Big plus if you've got drills, saws, or other tools from them. Now, some people were frustrated that the battery isn't included, even though it clearly says so. Here's the thing though, if you already own compatible DeWalt batteries, this saves you $30.50 versus buying a full kit. But if you do, you'll need to buy a battery separately, which pushes the real cost over $100. This is perfect for you if you're already in the DeWalt universe and want a budget-friendly trimmer add-on. Skip this one if you're starting from scratch, go for a kit instead. Clever buy if you're prepared. Product number 5, Saker 20V with dual batteries. Finally, the Saker cordless hedge trimmer priced at $83 and comes with not one but two 20V batteries and a charger. If you want extended runtime, adjustable angles, and serious cutting power in a compact package, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 9.45-inch blade is the longest on this list, perfect for shaping larger shrubs or trimming long hedges quickly. The motor spins at 1200 RPM, and the adjustable head tilts to 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees, so you can reach under bushes or trim slopes without bending over. Each battery gives about 60 minutes of runtime, and with two included you can swap mid-job. Plus, the SK5 steel blades stay sharp and the ergonomic handle reduces hand strain. Over 200 sold recently, and the feature set rivals trimmers twice the price. Now some users mention the weight 74 pounds can feel heavy after 20 minutes. Here's the thing though, that's because of the larger battery and longer blade. It's a trade-off for power and runtime. If you take short breaks, it's totally manageable. This is perfect for you if you have medium-sized hedges, want flexibility, and hate stopping to recharge. Skip this one if you only do tiny touch-ups, it's more than you need. But for serious small yard maintenance, this delivers. So which one's best? The Black Plus DECKER wins for budget simplicity, Sunjoe for ultralight tasks, Craftsman for premium feel, IEBUDA for DeWalt users, and Saker for power and runtime. No single trimmer fits everyone, it depends on your yard, your tools, and how much you want to spend. But now you've got the real scoop, not just marketing fluff. Pick the one that matches your life and happy trimming.